Hi guys, welcome back to my little channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria and thank you so much for clicking. Now you guys, I promised you to show you guys how I install my homemade wig, and this is exactly the video that you are going to be learning or seeing, or doing everything. So this is the exact video that I'll be sharing with you, how I install my homemade wig. Actually, this is the wig that I showed you guys how to make. I'll leave the link on the description box, so if you haven't watched it, you guys, you're missing on a lot. So you guys, go out, check it out, learn something, do it yourself, train yourself to do it, and it's absolutely very easy. And this one was the outcome of the hair, and I pretty much love it. Actually, this is one of my best wigs that I have in stock. It's new. I have worn it for like 2 times, and this one is the third time. So, and as you can see from the look of things, it doesn't look bad. It looks pretty much good. It looks like don't I look like a celebrity in this tiny little channel of mine? Anyway, you guys, let me show you just a quick one. I don't want this video to be very long, so that's why I'm trying to rush things, but I think I'm exhausted with everything. The lipstick is this actual lipstick that I showed you guys when I was buying from this lady. So this one, it is this one. It looks pretty much good, and I really love it because I do more of TikTok, and so it's a very nice, if you love TikTok, it's a very nice lipstick for just that moment. But anyway, you guys, here goes the wig, the overview of how the wig looks like on me, and let me show you guys how to install it. So let's jump into the video. So you guys, I know I look bougie, but yeah, this is how I'm going to just be undoing this, but just for the sake of this video, because I promised you guys I'll be showing you, so I just said let me just do it quick, so that I won't again post another video without showing you guys how I just did it with the hair. So basically, this is the net that I always use on all my wigs. This is the hairnet that I always use. I bought it at 50 shillings. You can get it on any beauty store around you. So I'll just be going to be putting it on. It really helps me a lot and kind of keeps the wig a bit neat. So that's how I do it. I always basically try to lay these edges of mine a little bit more with a finger, and yeah, do not make it come in front so much, just there. It's nice because of the net. You just want it to look pretty much more natural. So this is the hair, how it looks. You guys, so this is the hair, how it looks. I'm just going to be spraying this. This is basically what I do every single day if I want to put it on. So I'm just going to be spraying it on and slightly combing it. Can you see how the curls are now defined and all that? I showed you guys on my other video the products that I use on my wigs and my natural hair, so go ahead and watch my latest video I'll leave all the links on my description box. So that's how the wig looks like, and I love it because it's not oily. I don't like my wigs being oily because it's kind of stressful and all that. So the wig inside, that's how it looks, and it has a strap inside. So I've just locked it up, and this is how I lock it up, guys. That's how I lock it up, so that it may not move and all that. So let's go on and put it right there. So the string will go under your head and then pull it on. Have you seen how I put it on? So that's how it does. So yeah, basically that's it. And try to adjust on this other at the back and at the front as well. Push the hair that are not needed back, and this is basically how it looks. You can see at the front looks super natural, you know. Can you see that? So let me go ahead and comb it now. Super easy now. After you spray everything up, it's super easy to just comb it up and go. So I just don't like my wigs being super oily, I've told you that, and I also don't like using so much heat on my wigs. And as you can see, I don't use any heat on my wigs because, okay, basically I use a little bit when it's needed. If it's not needed, I really try to avoid using heat on my wigs because basically they're expensive. They are expensive and expensive to maintain as well. So yeah, it's not hair that is growing and all that, so you just have to preserve it and treat it the best way you can. So as you saw, like, it's so simple, guys. It's just that simple. And as you can see, if you have a really bad hair day, I mean, this one will save you the most time and hour in your life. I mean, who doesn't want to be saved time? Nah. Anyway, you guys, so that's how the wig looks like, and you can see the waves are super cool. Anyway, so that's the overview of the hair, and that's how I look. It's so simple. So you guys go ahead and check out on the other videos, and if you have not liked this video, please go ahead, like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. It will mean a lot to me, guys. Okay, it means a lot to me. You guys subscribe and join the family, then you turn on that notification bell so that you may be notified every time and anytime I post on my channel. I think that's it for today. You guys, oh my gosh, this is an amazing wig, you know. Anyway, thank you so much for reaching here. As we all say, see you guys on my next one. It was super short video, right? Yeah, so see you on my next one. Like, share, subscribe, and mwah.